Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Kedifentse again. I'm going to be cooking with you tilapia fish today, and I'm going to take you through how to cook this delicious fish. Now let's get into it. Yes guys, I'm going to be using a 1.5 small onion, and I'm just going to be cutting. I'm going to be just chopping anyhow, not necessarily to be looking in a certain way. And then I've got 3 cloves of garlic here, which I'm also going to just chop in a bit and throw them in the blender. Guys, I've got my ginger already here, so I'm going to throw it into my blender. And then I've got my Bernie powdered chicken flavor. I'm gonna throw it in here. I've got black pepper. It's half a teaspoon. I'm gonna put all the measurements in the description box, guys. Then I've got my cayenne pepper. I'm gonna also put half a teaspoon. Cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon. I'm gonna put a tablespoon. Okay, before that I'm gonna put in my coriander. Guys, I've got my coriander. I don't have fresh, the powdered coriander, so I'm using this particular one. And then I've got a spoon of virgin oil, extra virgin oil. I'm gonna add a bit of water as well, so we'll be able to blend nicely. So this you can adjust according to your preference. And I'm gonna put this into the blender. Hi guys, here's my blended marinating sauce for my fish. I'm gonna pour it over so I can marinate the fish, but I'm not gonna use the whole thing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rub it on my fish. Yes. Guys, this is my marinated fish. As you can see, it's also marinated inside. Ouch! I've put the whole marinated sauce. So yeah. Guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of aromat for taste. If you want to use salt, you can use salt, but my preference is this because the stock that I put already has a bit of salt, so I don't want the fish to be too salty. If you want chili, you can also add chili. And yeah. Then I'm gonna add in a little bit of the virgin oil again, and this is our final touch. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, cover it for 2 hours or so. You can do this overnight, guys. So I'm just gonna put this in the fridge for about 2 hours. As you can see, it's nicely marinated, and then we're gonna come back to cook our fish. Yes guys, so I'm back again. I don't know how many hours I've kept my fish. I think it's more than 6 hours. And now we are going to fry the fish. I'm gonna deep fry this fish. I'm not gonna grill it because we're hungry. So you can either grill it or you fry it. Let's get into the frying. Guys, I'm gonna be frying the fish. Just have to be very careful with the oil. And yeah, let's catch up once I'm done with the frying. Hi guys, this is it. This is it. We're about to have a Sunday dinner. This is my fish. I'm serving it with green salad and some kale. And yeah, of course, my delicious tilapia. So guys, if you have enjoyed the video so far, kindly do subscribe, share, like, leave your comment, and you can give us a tip or two. We'll really appreciate that. And please tell a friend to tell a friend. And thank you so much for the returning subscribers. We really appreciate you. If you are new here, we welcome you as well. A warm welcome. Thank you guys. Let's catch each other on the next video.